Miss Maverick, you like small blocks, right? Yeah. Good small block. I'm talking about some good rods and pistons. Ooh, we all aftermarket aluminum.
Yo,
She got it, y'all. She got some good rods and pistons. Forged. Yeah, it's forged. I'm talking about some domes. High compression. I ain't seen you in a minute. How you been? And y'all, hey y'all, this Miss Maverick, y'all. This Miss Maverick. This the one, she got that car. She wrecked it one time. They fixed it, huh? That was a year ago. Hey, she wrecked it a year ago, fixed it. It's ready now. Hey, miss, I thought you was from over here. I ain't know you was from California. They say that Texas tracks better than California tracks. Is that true? Oh, what I'm standing on? It's like California. Oh, okay, so she brought it out here in June and then she left it here. You gonna bring it back home November? Dang, miss, it's nice seeing you. Dang, I like this car too, man. You got it still standing up on it? You told them to make it stay down now, huh? Oh, okay. I've been saying, you know how to handle it now. Hey, y'all, that's Miss Maverick, man. She got the Maverick. What year is this? 73. She got the 73 Maverick, man. She know how to drive it, too, man. I ain't know she was from, I thought she was from over here, man.
Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle, the one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.
Look out, look out.